Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us why it says under, like, in Epic Games it says running, but the game isn't open, and when you try clicking on it, the game just won't launch no matter what you do, and even if you close the app and then reopen it. So in order to fix this, right now it says launch, that means it's good, but usually when it does says running, in order to fix that, all you have to do is click on Control, Shift, and Escape at the same time. So you open up your task manager, or you can just open up your task manager just regularly by going into the search bar and clicking task manager. Anyways, once you're here, you're basically going to go to background processes and you're going to search for the game that you're running. So for example, I have Rainbow Six Siege right now. And if it was running, if I had the glitch right now, I would just scroll down until I see Rainbow Six Siege. And yeah, that is basically it. And yeah, and then once I see it, just right click on it and hit end task. And yeah, and then once I do that, you will see that this will go back to launch, and then you can go ahead and run this. And now it's going to start, say, running. Now it's going to, like, work. And yeah, that is basically it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.